Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn in Videos. In today's video, we are going to see the C language. The C language is a general purpose programming language that has been widely used for over 50 years. C is a very powerful and it has been used to develop operating system, database, applications and etc. Let us start learning C. Now I'm going to explain the C language in very simple manner. It will be so simple that even a bio student can understand. So stay tuned. Now, this is our first example. So, first, what we do is we just import the header files. So, always remember in C, the first line of code is importing the header files. So, there are many header files. So, in this program, we are going to talk about just particular header file called as studio.h. So, how do we write this in the code? So, we write hash include studio.h. Okay. So now why this we are including in our program? So we are calling for input output functions. Okay, we are dealing with input output functions. For this, we need to include this in our program. Now, the next line of the code is int main. Now, why do we write int main over here? Main is a default keyword for every program. We need to write this main. The next question is, what do you mean by int over here? Now, int means the program will return an integer value to you. Okay. So always remember it will return integer value to you. The other form of the program is so we can also write void main. Void means the program will return nothing to you. So this is the most important thing you need to remember is if we write int main, the program is returning integer value to you. If we write void main, so programming is returning nothing to you. Okay. Now after writing int main, so we will open the main bracket. So this is called the main bracket. So I'm opening the main bracket. Okay. Next, what I'm doing is I'm writing a statement that print f. Okay, print f. Now what I'm writing in the braces is printf, open the bracket. In double quotes, I'm writing hello world and closing the double quotes and closing the round bracket and putting a semicolon. First thing, why do we write printf? So if you want to print anything on the screen, so you will write printf statement. Okay, printf, and you'll open the round bracket and you'll put double quotes. So whatever you want to display on the screen, you will put inside that in the double quotes. Okay, whatever you want to display. So in this, I'm displaying hello world and I'm closing the double quotes, closing the round braces, and I'm ending that with a semicolon. Now, why do we need to write the semicolon? So in the printf statement in C program, when we end a statement, the compiler should understand, right? Okay, this is the end of the statement. So how we will understand this is the end of the statement? By looking at the semicolon, the compiler will understand that this is the end of the statement. Okay. Next, what I'm writing return 0. As I have said, int main means, so this will return the integer value. So I have written return 0. Again, semicolon close because the compiler should understand that, okay, this is the end of the statement. So now we are closing a flower bracket. So this is the flower bracket that we have opened at the main. So we are closing the flower bracket. Okay. Let us run this code, and if we run this code, so this will be the output that you will be getting. Now we'll see the common mistakes made by the students while writing the printf code. So now this is the correct statement that I'm writing. Printf, open the bracket, double quotes, write whatever you want to display on the screen in the double quotes, then close the double quotes, close the round bracket and put a semicolon. Now, few of the students, what they'll do is they'll just write the printf statement as like this. What I'm writing, printf, opening the bracket, this sentence will produce an error and closing the bracket. So, and semicolon close. So now here one statement I have missed. What is that? I have not put the double quotes. If there is no double quotes, then the error will rise. Okay, this will give an error to you. Okay, so always remember whatever you want to display in the printf statement, you'll put that in the quotes. Okay. Now let us deal with few of the more example of this printf statement. Okay. So again, one more program we will see. First step, as I said, include the header files. So again, hash include studio.h. Next, int main. As said before, int main means the return type of this program is integer. Open the bracket, the main bracket. Next, printf. Now I am printing for the first line, hello world, double inverted comma close, close the round bracket and semicolon. Next statement, printf, double quotes, I am learning C, double quotes close. Again, close the round brackets, semicolon. Third line, third statement I am printing, printf, open the double quotes and write, and it is awesome. Close the double quotes, close the round bracket and semicolon. And next line I am writing return 0, since this program will return integer value. Okay, now let me run this code and show it to you. If we run this code, this is the output. Now, if you closely observe, first output is hello world. Immediate after the hello world, I'm getting I am learning C as an output. Immediately after the I am learning C output is displayed, I'm getting and it is awesome. Now, here I'm going to tell one statement that you can include in printf statements so that your output will come to the next line. Okay, your output will come to the next line. So what we need to do, so whenever you want to print the output from the next line, okay, so what we will do is we will enter /n in the printf statement. Now let me show this to you. Printf hello world /n. Now I have inserted slash into it. So that means what? The program will print hello world, and next /n means you are printing hello world, then /n denotes that to your compiler that the next output should be written on the next line. So now next output I'm getting it as I am learning C. Now here you can see I am learning C, and next output is and it is awesome. It is on the same line. Again, if I want to print that in the next line, I am learning C space /n. /n means next line. Okay. So we'll run this code, and you can see now in this output where printf statement hello world is printed on the first line, I am learning C is printed on the second line, and it is awesome, it is printing on the third line. The reason why I'm getting each output on the new line because I have written /n in the code. Okay, always do remember, if you want to print the statement on the new line, so you need to introduce /n in your printf statement. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the content, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if possible, please do share with your friends. And if you like the content, guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up if you have understood this lecture. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.